Hi, my name's Kathy Evans, and I'm here to touch on our June summertime BOGOs. It's happening right now till June 23rd, and everybody's been stocking up on their favorites, so much so that our BOGO, one of them, is sold out. So if you have a Doterra account, log in and order your favorites, and if you don't, to get a free wholesale pricing, log into my link. So this BOGO is very different at this time because we had 6 different deals and to choose from. Of course, now we have 5, but they are available while supplies last, every day. So there's no BOGO box, and you can choose any product this week at any time, limit 5 quantity. The sold out BOGO is gone. It was gone this morning at 8 o'clock, and it is my favorite, so everyone needs to know about it. So this is the Metapower Advantage, and this is Doterra's anti-aging collagen product. It has 9 types of bioavailable collagen, NMN, resveratrol. This is part of our 3-part system to slow down aging. The system addresses fat cell shrinkage, smoothing glucose spikes and lipids, and Advantage supports production of teenage cells. So if you're experiencing aging diseases and you're slowing down, the NMN, the collagen, supports skin density, decreasing wrinkles. It promotes a healthy circulatory system, nervous system, gives you energy, clarity. It helps with your mitochondria. So now you know why that this sold out so soon. So people have noticed improved mood, improved sleep, improved eye health, and so this is something you want to add to your collection to up-level your health. And what you do is you just take the Metapower packet, open it up, put it in room temperature water, and then stir it around and just take it right then and there. I take mine in the afternoon now. I used to take it in the morning, but for my age it says to take it in the afternoon. So the next oil is Buy One Island Mint. Here it is, Island Mint. And you get the Sunny Citrus and you get the Citrus Bloom for free. So this is a fun summer combination. So if you diffuse it in your home, you can diffuse it in when you're on vacation. It's wonderful when you're traveling in a car. It's very uplifting. It'll keep you awake. The Island Mint has lime. It has lemon, peppermint, spruce. It's kind of like a sea breeze, kind of open up your senses. And then we've got the Sunny Citrus that has grapefruit, orange, peppermint, and it's very invigorating, very uplifting. Is definitely going to bring happiness around everybody that's around. And then the Citrus Bloom. The Citrus Bloom is part of our permanent collection. It's like a springtime garden. It has florals and some citruses in it, and it's very uplifting. It's a lot of people's favorite, just to diffuse. So when you buy the Island Mint, you get the Sunny Citrus and the Citrus Bloom. It is $24.50 for all 3. So that's a savings of $35. And then the next pairing is the Deep Blue Stick with the Deep Blue oil. Now, the Deep Blue Stick has copaiba in it, and what I do is I just rub it on wherever I have discomfort or pain. It's so easy to use. You don't get it on your fingers. And you can just throw it in your purse, there's where I keep it, or you can put it in your gym bag. You can put it on, like I use when I get Charlie horses, I put it on my legs. And then the Deep Blue 5 ml, I like to put it in a Rollerball. And the reason I do is because I like to add a little bit of coconut oil in it so I can put it on and it goes a little bit farther, and it's great for massages. It's perfect straight on because it's not diluted like this. So when you buy this Deep Blue for $37, you get this Deep Blue Stick. You get it for a saving, and you save $26. All right, next pairing. Next pairing is the Immortelle, one of my favorites. It has the high-end oils in it. It's got frankincense, sandalwood, helichrysum, lavender, myrrh, and rose. So it helps with the anti-aging of your skin. It's restorative. I have clients that use it on their horses. If they have a wound, if they're show horses and they want to reduce that scar. And I have a friend named Judy who actually a tire rim fell in the garage on her head, and she had 2 big scars, and she used the Immortelle, and you can't even tell that she has a scar now, or both scars, you can't even tell. So I have the before and after pictures. So again, put it on your chin, it helps tighten. You can put it around your eyes like this. I like to put it on after I do my cleanse and my toning and my moisturizer. And I do split this. I split it into another Rollerball, and I like to add my yarrow pom to it, and sometimes some other oils, just for fun if I learn of a new recipe. And I did list that in my Facebook, different recipes that you could do it if you split it even into 4 parts. So then you get the free, what you get if you buy the Immortelle is you get the free brightening gel. And the brightening gel is wonderful to put on in the morning. And that is, it has extracts in it to brighten your skin, so you're not using any toxic chemicals to harm your skin or your liver. And it has bergamot, melissa, it's got juniper berry and vitamin C, and it's great for age spots or sunspots. Just dab it on your face in the morning, okay? And then the next one is the tightening serum. The tightening serum has similar oils to the Immortelle, and is for, again, lifting the skin, tightening it up where you want to tighten your skin. It has plant extracts, just like the brightening gel. And I apply that during the evening, before bed, after I cleanse my skin, put my moisturizer on. And so when you buy the Immortelle for $80, you get those 2, the serum and the tightening serum, and the gel. You get those for, and it's $75 savings. So that's a really good price. Okay, next one, the next pairing, Neroli, and then you get Davana free. Or no, you buy the Divana and you get the Neroli free. So I love the Divana just because it's an oil that adapts to your chemistry. It's called the oil of recognizing your true self, because it's like a reflection of your inner self. And it mixes well with citruses, jasmine, ling ling, and to create your own signature blend. So you can put it on your wrist, and then you can put another oil over on top of it. These are going to help with hormonal health, emotional wellness. Neroli I really love. It's one of my favorite. It reminds me of honeysuckle, but that's how I perceive it. It's from the flower of the bitter orange. It is the oil of connection. So if you need to be rebuilding trust, or you've been away from someone for a long time, it helps you restore that connection. And again, you can roll it on your wrist, you can roll it on your belly. And when you buy the Neroli, it's for $54. You get the Divana free. I did have that mixed up. All right, and so that's a $32 savings. Okay, and then we have the Beautiful. The Beautiful. Get the Beautiful, and you get the 4 ml frankincense for free. This isn't the right size. I had one and I sold it. Someone wanted it. So here I have the Beautiful. Now the Beautiful is called the Captivating Blend. And it's a captivating blend because it's a light fragrance of bergamot, lime, frankincense. You can smell the frankincense. A little bit slightly citrusy. It's my niece Karen's favorite oil. It is mood elevating, it's calming, uplifting, it just calms the soul. And it is a limited edition, so it's only available during special times. So when it comes available, people grab it up. And then of course we've got the frankincense, and again it's a 4 ml, not a 5 ml. and it's in a roller. So people say, when in doubt, use frankincense. You can roll it around the eyes. You can use it for wrinkles, like you do the Immortelle. Roll it down the spine. I always recommend roll it on the spine with your kids for balancing your nervous system, creates homeostasis, just everything just gets into balance. Rub it on the bottom of your feet for grounding, and then roll it on the skin for irritations. So when you buy the Beautiful for $24, you get the 4 ml frankincense. So these are available till Friday, June 23rd, while supplies last. And there's a limit of 5 each, so log into your wholesale account, stock up, and if you don't have a wholesale account, just click on my link below, get the wholesale pricing. All the BOGOs are in the shopping cart. You can take out what you don't want, or you can increase the number if you want, that's fine. And then you get that continuing education from me. So I want to know what you're most excited about on the BOGOs, and if you have any questions. So